Git Key Concepts. Welcome to this presentation on the key concepts of Git, a widely used distributed version control system. Git is a powerful tool that enables developers to track changes in files, collaborate on projects, and maintain a clear history of the project's evolution. Understanding the core concepts of Git is essential for effectively managing and contributing to software projects, whether you're a seasoned developer or new to the field. In this presentation, we'll explore the fundamental principles and features of Git, providing you with a solid foundation to start using this powerful tool. The first key concept in Git is the repository. A Git repository is a directory that contains all the files and folders of a project, along with the complete version history of those files. It serves as the central location where the project's files and their changes are stored. Developers can create, clone, and manage repositories to collaborate on projects. The repository is the foundation of Git, as it allows multiple developers to work on the same codebase simultaneously while maintaining a clear record of the project's evolution. The next key concept in Git is commits. Commits are snapshots of the project's files at a specific point in time. Each commit includes a unique identifier, the author's information, a commit message, and the changes made since the previous commit. Commits form the backbone of the project's history, allowing developers to track and revert changes as needed. Committing changes is a fundamental part of the Git workflow, as it enables collaboration, code review, and the ability to roll back to previous versions of the project if necessary. Another key concept in Git is branches. Branches are independent lines of development within a Git repository. They allow developers to work on different features or bug fixes simultaneously without affecting the main codebase. Branches can be merged back into the main branch, often called master or main, when the work is complete. Branching and merging are powerful Git features that facilitate collaborative development, as they enable multiple developers to work on separate parts of the project without interfering with each other's work. This flexibility is a crucial aspect of Git that helps teams manage complex projects effectively. The next key concept in Git is remote repositories. Remote repositories are copies of a Git repository hosted on a remote server. They allow developers to collaborate by sharing their local repositories with others. Common remote repository hosting services include GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket. Developers can push their local commits to a remote repository and pull changes from the remote repository to their local machine. This enables distributed development, where team members can work on the same project from different locations while maintaining a centralized repository for coordination and collaboration. Another key concept in Git is merging and conflicts. Merging is the process of combining changes from different branches into a single branch. When the same file is modified in different branches, Git may encounter a conflict that needs to be resolved manually. Developers must review the conflicting changes and decide how to reconcile them. Resolving merge conflicts is an essential skill for effective collaboration in Git, as it allows team members to integrate their work seamlessly and maintain a cohesive codebase. Understanding how to handle merge conflicts is crucial for managing complex projects and ensuring a smooth development workflow. Finally, let's review some of the most common Git commands that you'll use in your day-to-day work. Git init. This command initializes a new Git repository in the current directory, creating the necessary files and folders to start tracking changes. Git clone. This command allows you to create a local copy of an existing repository hosted on a remote server, such as GitHub or GitLab. Git add. This command stages changes in your working directory, preparing them for the next commit. Git commit. This command creates a new commit with the staged changes, capturing a snapshot of the project's state at that point in time. Git push. This command uploads your local commits to a remote repository, making them available to other collaborators. Git pull. This command downloads the latest changes from a remote repository and merges them into your local codebase. Git checkout. This command allows you to switch between branches or restore files to a previous state. Git merge. This command combines changes from different branches into a single branch, resolving any conflicts that may arise. Understanding and using these common Git commands will be essential as you start working with Git and collaborating on software projects. Pause. In summary, this presentation has covered the key concepts of Git, a widely used distributed version control system. We've discussed the importance of Git repositories, which store the project's files and their version history. We've also explored the concept of commits, which capture snapshots of the codebase at specific points in time, and branches, which allow developers to work on different features or bug fixes simultaneously without affecting the main codebase. Additionally, we've covered the role of remote repositories, which enable collaboration by allowing developers to share their work and pull changes from others. Finally, we've reviewed some of the most common Git commands, such as git init, git clone, git add, git commit, git push, git pull, git checkout, and git merge, which are essential for effectively managing and contributing to software projects. Understanding these key Git concepts and commands will provide you with a solid foundation to start using this powerful tool in your own software development projects. Git is a crucial part of the modern software development landscape, and mastering its core principles will greatly enhance your ability to work effectively as part of a development team.